Today, we're making this easy crochet daisy bracelet. Each flower is made from one simple motif. You can add beads in any color to the centers. We'll use cotton yarn and a 2.2mm crochet hook. Begin by making a magic ring. Chain 2. Work 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2. Then slip stitch into the ring. Chain 2. Work 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2, then slip stitch into the ring. Continue the same way until you have 6 groups around the ring. Once you've made all 6 groups, chain 1 and fasten off. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Tie the 2 yarn tails together, then weave them through the stitches on the back. Once the flower is finished, you can glue a bead in any color to the center. Follow the same steps and make 8 flowers in total. We'll use 6 flowers for the bracelet and 2 flowers for the ends of the tie chains. You can add or remove flowers to fit your wrist. Now we'll join the flowers with white yarn. On any petal of the first flower, join the yarn behind one of the double crochet stitches. Chain 4. After the petal where you joined the yarn, skip 1 petal. Slip stitch behind one of the double crochet stitches on the next petal. Chain 5. Move to the second flower. On any petal, slip stitch behind one of the double crochet stitches. Chain 4. After the petal where you made the slip stitch, skip 1 petal. Slip stitch into one of the double crochet stitches on the next petal. Chain 5. On the next flower, slip stitch into a loop on the back of any petal. Chain 4. After the petal with the slip stitch, skip 1 petal, then slip stitch into the next. Chain 5. Move to the next flower and repeat the same steps. Continue until all 6 flowers are joined in a row. Use 5 chains when moving between flowers. Use 4 chains between the 2 connection points within each flower. I've joined all 6 flowers. On the last flower, we chained 4 and made a slip stitch. Chain 2. On the petal after the last slip stitch, make another slip stitch into a loop on the back. If this pattern is helpful, tap the like button before we continue. Now we'll make the first tie chain. You can adjust its length as needed. I'll make 22 chains. After making 22 chains, slip stitch into any loop on the back of one of the 2 remaining flowers. Chain 1 then fasten off. Weave the yarn end through the stitches on the back. After finishing the tie chain, rejoin the white yarn on the opposite side. We'll connect the flowers the same way. Join the yarn through a loop on the petal where we made the last slip stitch. Chain 4. After the petal where you joined the yarn, skip one petal and make a slip stitch on the next. Chain 5. Now move to the next petal. Do not use the same point as the previous slip stitch. Slip stitch into a loop on the back of the next petal. Chain 4. After the petal with the slip stitch, skip one petal, then slip stitch into the next. Continue joining all the flowers with chains in the same way until you reach the end. Keep repeating the same chain pattern to the end. While you work, tell me in the comments which bead color you would choose for your daisies. At the end, chain 4. Skip one petal, then make a slip stitch on the next petal. If you enjoy easy crochet projects, subscribe for more. For the second tie, you can make 22 or 23 chains. Slip stitch into any loop on the back of the last remaining flower. Chain 1, then fasten off. Weave all the remaining yarn ends through the stitches on the back. Once the ends are woven in, use steam from an iron to shape the flowers and straighten the chains. Your bracelet is ready to wear. The finished bracelet looks lovely. You can also wear it as an anklet. Here is another version made with pink and yellow beads. That's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.